it's Sandra, and today I wanted to do a video on my November giveaway. Sorry I'm so late, but I couldn't decide what to give away. And I am giving away another Maniology item. So, because last time I think I gave away Uber Chic. So this time it's going to be Maniology. And the thing that I decided to give away was the Santa's Workshop Starter Kit. Stamping starter kit. Thought this was really cute. Thought anybody would be happy to get this. And so that's what I decided to give away. So I'm going to just open this up. So whoever wins, sorry, I got to open this up. And just to show everybody what's in it, if you haven't seen already. It's a really cute kit. And I will be drawing a winner on Monday, November 21st. So you've got till 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, November 21st to enter. And all you have to do is put in comments, enter me, and I will do a drawing. I will pick a winner either on the Monday or Tuesday the next day. So as usual, once I pick the winner, you have to email me at my email at nailstampology@gmail.com, and I will ship this off to you. So this is something that they came up with for Christmas, and I think it's cool because it's a nice traditional kit. It's got, and I'm not going to open this up, but it's got some cool things. It's got a little, let's see if we can get a little bit closer here. So we've got this holly pattern. I think that's really cute. So you can color in the berries, do this green and reverse paint the berries. You got your candy cane stripes. This little snowflake decal is really pretty. I think that's really cool. You got some Christmas trees, some mittens and socks and skates, some more little snowflakes with little strings holding them together. You got the little truck with a tree, a little some kind of coffee thing, and you got a snowman up here, and you got a whole bunch of little, like little animals, another snowman, maybe a polar bear. So it's just got a bunch of cute little Christmas stuff. So that is the plate that it comes with. It only comes with one plate. And the other thing it comes with is a scraping card. Can't think of what it is. And it comes with a rectangular stamper. And this is really cute too. It's got the holly pattern on there again, and it's like a reddish. And you're going to get 2 stamping polishes. One is called Fleece, which is like a silvery white, and the other one is called Quasar. So those are the 2 polishes, stamping polishes that come with this kit. And I'm going to put this all back in here. Where'd this go? I don't know where this went. I didn't pay attention to where this came from. So stick that in there. And there's the plate. There's this. Now stick this right in here. Stick it in the box. Okay. So there you have it. So this is my November giveaway. I want to say good luck to everybody. And I hope you like this little kit. I actually did not buy myself one. I have so many Christmas things that it's just ridiculous. So many Christmas stamping plates. So there you go. So good luck to everyone. And I will be picking a winner after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, November 21st, or the next day, which would be the 22nd. So good luck, and thanks for watching.